Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing a huge decor haul. I have been ordering things and picking up different items throughout this whole quarantine, and I thought I would show you guys a consolidated video of the things that I've picked up. I've also done a little bit of shopping since stores have started opening back up again, and I found some good deals at HomeGoods and TJ Maxx. So I'm going to share everything that I have picked up, and I'm also going to be sharing a lot of 4th of July decorations. So I'm not completely done yet, but I have a good start. We are hosting a 4th of July party this year, so I wanted to get a couple of things to decorate for that. But if you guys are new to my channel, my name is Kailyn, and I share all things home related as far as homemaking and home decorating. I love connecting with you guys, so make sure to give me a comment down below if you are new, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on a single video. I've already shared a summer clean and decorate with me video as well as a summer home tour. So if you want to see a lot of these decorations already out in my home, make sure to check that video out after you watch this one. All right, let's go ahead and get started. This first piece is from the Dollar General. I'm not going to go in any particular order, but I love this modern farmhouse look with the black and white and all these different laundry room signs. I thought it was really cute, and I'm going to hang this in my laundry room really soon, but the Dollar General has stepped up their game. Another Dollar General find is this hobnail style glass, and I love this. It's great for summertime and drinking some lemonade or sweet tea, and it was only $1 and it's real glass. So I love these. I found 3 of them, and I'm on the hunt to find a couple more just to have like a complete set. But I love these cups. I feel like at an antique store you would pay a lot of money for them, so for $1 I thought that was a really good find. And I also have these styled on my open shelves in my kitchen. This next piece is from Big Lots, and this beautiful little orange juice pitcher also has some hobnail detailing on it, and I love it. It's got these stripes, and I thought this piece looked very vintage and just very pretty. You could put some lemonade in here, you could do anything. And at the time I got this, I think everything was like 25% off. So it was about $3.50. So I thought that was a great deal. And so it was probably normally $5, but Big Lots had a lot of hobnail things too. They also had a drink dispenser that you could sit on your countertop. So lots of good finds at Big Lots as well if you guys are into the hobnail and vintage glassware. I've got another laundry room decor type of item. This one is from Walmart, and it's just a little holder for dryer sheets. Keep my washing machine cleaner pods in here. And it's actually pretty small. I think they come in multiple sizes, but I want to say this one was around $7. Don't quote me on that, but I love this just farmhouse style laundry room stuff. I think it's very pretty, and I love it sitting on my shelves in there, and it's functional too, so that's always great. And then here is another item from Walmart, and this is kind of like a laundry room caddy. You could also use it for cleaning supplies, which I think would be really neat. I want to say this was around $10, $11, and it's got 2 different compartments inside and this little wooden handle, and I think it's so pretty. I love the font, and this looks great sitting on our washing machine. It can hold our laundry detergent, dryer sheets, sprays, all that good stuff. We also went to some antique stores over the weekend, and I found this cute little open and close sign that I'm going to put on Brooks's playhouse. If you guys seen a couple videos back, I spray painted his little playhouse that's outside. I did it in black and white, and I thought that this open and close sign would be really cute to hang on it. That way if he's playing like his ice cream stand or something, he can flip it around, and I think that'll look really cute. I'm trying not to make it look super girly, so I thought this was a cute little touch. Moving on to the 4th of July decor, I picked up a few things from Hobby Lobby. I haven't been anywhere else yet besides the Dollar Tree, so I'm gonna keep my eye out for a couple more things, but I did pick up some American flags that were on some like yardsticks, and these were 40% off at Hobby Lobby. They were $1.99, so, and they have 2 of them in there, so I thought these would be pretty to put in arrangements, or I could even put them outside in some of my flower beds, so that's what I'm planning on doing. And then I also found this cute pillow cover that's 4th of July themed. On one side it says "Let Freedom Ring," and the other side it's in a red and white gingham check. And I think it's so cute. This was all 40% off, so this was $6, and that's what it looks like. So I can't wait to get it out and decorate with this. We're gonna be eating outside most likely, so I picked up a tablecloth. This one is just stars and the stripes on the sides. This one was $4.99 at Hobby Lobby, and I think it's a pretty good size. So it's just a standard rectangular size. And then I picked up this one that kind of has like wood accents and a bunch of different designs on it, but this one was from the Dollar Tree, so a lot more affordable. I found this one after this one, so you can pick and choose whichever kind you'd like, but I thought this one was really cute from the Dollar Tree. I also picked up this little American flag pendant from the Dollar Tree. It was $1, and I'm thinking of putting this on that old wood door that you guys seen. I think I'm gonna hang this on that door and maybe a pretty wreath. I don't know, you guys let me know, but I might even put that door on our back porch, or you could hang this on a regular door. I might put it on our back door and just have it there, but for $1, you can't beat it. I also wanted to pick up a new table runner for our table for the 4th of July. This one has a navy like gingham / buffalo check pattern, and it also has red, so you could do it either or, and this was $11.99 and 40% off. I also like to always do different kitchen towels for the holidays, so I picked up this one. It kind of looks faded to me, and I think it's really cute. This one is striped and kind of looks worn as well, with a little bit of fringe on the bottom, and I just love these so much. I think they're really cute. I might put them on my little towel ladder or have them hanging from our stove, but I really like these. And then to decorate our hutch or to put on the table, I got this little plaque sign that says "Home Sweet Home," and it's in a metal tin kind of material, and it also has a stand in the back. So you could put this on a tiered tray, or you could have it on a table or a shelf. Anything like that would be really cute. And they did have multiple sayings in this. This one was $4.99 and 40% off. Alright, that's all the 4th of July decorations that I picked up, but I finally got to go to Hobby Lobby again, and I found this cute little wooden vase, and I think it's actually maybe a candle holder. It goes down pretty far, but I just stuck this greenery in here, and I just keep this on a tray on a bench in our foyer area, and I love it. I think it looks very worn and rustic. You can see it here. It's a pretty good size, and it just looks very like aged and antiqued. I want to say I paid around $7, and I did get this in a different shape as well. So this would be really cute on bookshelves or fireplaces, anything like that. Joann's was having a really good sale online a couple weeks ago, so I found this nice big white serving tray, and I think I paid like $8 for it, and I thought this would be good to have outside for the 4th, or also just to have sitting around. So what I did for my foyer was I put a book in here, over here, and then I have this little vase sitting right here, and I just have it sitting on a bench, and that's how I'm using it right now. So it has multiple uses. It's functional, and it can also be used for decor. Another thing I got from Joann's is this pillow. It's kind of an off-white color, and it has speckles through it, but I loved all of these fringe details, and I like the saying, "Stay rooted." I thought that was very fitting for summertime and gardening. Here's what it looks like, and I think it's so pretty. So I have this sitting on that bench as well with the tray and the greenery, and I think it's pretty inviting. This one, I don't remember what the price was on it, but like I said, it was like marked down 75% off or something crazy like that. So I think I got it for around $10. Another clearance find at Home Goods that I found were 2 baskets. They are both in this woven and like tan and black striped pattern. And this one was $5 and the bigger one was $8. So I thought these were great prices on baskets like this. I love that they have handles and they're easy to move around. This one I have sitting in my dining room on a little end table, and I've got my lemon tree pot in it. So that's how I am displaying this. And then this one is super functional. So on our dresser in our bedroom, I've got a vase with some flowers. And then I use this basket as our drop zone where we can bring our car keys or Taylor's wallet, sunglasses, anything that kind of just needs a spot goes in this basket. And it's really handy and it saved us from losing a lot of things. So a drop zone basket is a must-have in our house, but I thought this one was perfect and I love the black detail. I think it gives a nice modern farmhouse look. I also picked up this home sign from Joann's when they were having that good sale, and I love the font that this is in. I don't know where I'm gonna put it yet. I was thinking I would put it in a wreath or something, but I haven't really found one that I love with it, so I might put this on our back porch. I know that sounds kind of weird, but I think it would be really pretty like coming in the door on our back porch, so I might put that back there. Another Hobby Lobby find is this little chicken wire basket. I thought this was so cute and it could be used in so many different ways, but this one was marked 80% off at Hobby Lobby, and so I paid like $2 for it or something crazy. So I thought this would be cute to have some greenery hanging out of. You could put some artichokes in here or moss balls, or you could have something draped over the side, anything like that, cute on bookshelves or hutches. So I don't know what I'm going to do with this, but it was too good of a deal to pass. This couldn't be a decor haul without some Rae Dunn. So my mom was shopping over the weekend and found this sweet little queen bee canister at Home Goods. It was $9.99. It wasn't on clearance, but I loved this yellow topper on it. And I think it's so cute because I decorated with bees for summertime and I just love it. She made my day when she brought it home and I already have it set up. So when I was at Hobby Lobby, I picked up some really bright green greenery just to pick that I could do something with for the 4th, whether it be with like American flags or in an arrangement, and it was half off, so it was normally $11.99 and it was half off of that. And I just loved that it had some multicolors and that it was really bright. It also had some string of pearl looking like branches in it, so I think it's really pretty and I'll be able to get a lot of use out of it this summer. All right, we're almost done. I have 2 items left, but one being this scale that I got from Home Goods. It was $29.99, which I thought was a great deal considering how big this thing is. This part comes off the top and it's pretty big, so I've got this in my kitchen with a couple of lemons, and I just love the black and white kind of worn look, but I like that this part was still black. A lot of the white ones that I see, this part is red, so I like that this one was all neutral, and Mom liked it so much she got one too. So stay on the lookout at Home Goods if you want this big white vintage scale. All right, the last thing that I'm going to show you guys is this huge pillow. I thought this would be so comfy on our couch. We've got a big gray sectional in our living room, and I needed something to go on the long part of the couch. So this pillow is what I found. It is from the Hearth and Hand line at Target, and it was $29.99 for this big old thing. So I thought it was cute with the tassels on the end and these pretty like linen and gray stripes. So this is what it looks like, and I think it's so pretty and very neutral, and we've already got a bunch of use out of it, so it was definitely worth it. You can kind of just curl up with it and it's super cozy. Alright guys, that is it for this home decor haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you have any questions down below. I'll try to link anything that I can find down below if you guys want to shop too, but let me know if you are decorating for the 4th of July. I'm going to make a dedicated video to that, so stay on the lookout. Make sure you're subscribed if you are new. I'd love to have you here, a part of our YouTube fam. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.